Alright, what's going on, YouTubers? I was gonna get back to working on this yesterday. Cleaned out the gear. I just loaded some filament in there and pushed it through the new nozzle. Now we're gonna get these screws on. Oops. You don't want to be doing that. Get these screws in. And so we can button everything else up. No, it's not. And when we get these on, we're gonna have to level the bed. Pretty sure with a new nozzle. Set this over here. Right now what I'm doing is just trying to, no, that's going to be the wrong hole. It's flowing out nice and good. I pushed a lot through, but let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'm just going to hold this like this, so I got my hand. Every time I get ready to go look at it to see if it's lined up, I'm not even going to look at it, I'm just going to look at it through the screen. That might be crossed it. Alright, I got to put the phone down. Alright, that's nice and tight. Got our filament in there. It's coming out nice and pretty. I gotta get something to clean off the like tapey stuff from the 3M. Hopefully this painter's tape will just bring it down, take it off so that we can. It's so hard to videotape and do this with one hand. With the GoPro it was a lot easier. Antoine's vlog. Oh yeah, so while I'm vlogging, what else I'm supposed to be talking about? What did I do today? I had some tea. Played a lot of Starlink on the Switch. I've been playing that like crazy, and I was like, you know what? I gotta get my printer going. I got to. I've just been down trying to get this printer going. There's a lot of dust in there too I gotta clean up. And I beat the strut on the go-kart. I like just physically just beat it with a hammer and a pipe, and I got it pretty straight. I rode the go-kart up to the store. And we're gonna go to control. I'm gonna go here to motion and drop our Excel. Go-kart ran good, got gas in the go-kart, and got the mini bike going. So now today we're gonna go outside. I found the other motor in the part shed, so I'm gonna take the pull start off that. And then when I take the pull start off that, I'm gonna put that on Adrian's bike, and then see if we all can go riding a little bit. Seven. Let's see here, bit. 2. But yeah, Starlink has got me all last night. It got me for some hours. Let's just try and put our V5 chassis. Let's go into tune. Change that nozzle temp down. Bed. Drop that down. We'll just put it at 50 right now. Speed. We're about 62. Actually, we're gonna drop that speed even more. We gotta make sure that this is still level. To about 48. Got filament coming out. Usually I don't run a print to level the bed. I usually just go with my Z-axis. It's a little smush. Yeah, I think this might be a little too smushed, just like I'm gonna have to go and yeah, it's peeling the paint tape up. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, my speed is all the way up. Why is my speed all the way up? I'm gonna drop the speed all the way down. Oh yeah, that's let's see here. Pause the print. And now the way that I do it is, it's kind of hard to see it from here, but I'll go by each corner and I'm gonna slightly just grab my bed and I'm gonna twist this evenly on all four corners, do all four corners. So let me just do that real quick because I can't do it with one hand. Alright, we got a little bit of splash of some plastic there. I went around all four corners. Let's go down, let's hit resume print. There's a lot of plastic that's on the bed, but okay, I'm liking that. There's a little bit of color on the tape now. You know what? This might be a little too much. Yeah, I might have went too far. I'm gonna let it print the chassis out and let it keep going. I'm gonna say like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Peace and love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There's my micro scale garage. Yeah, it's showing up. Yeah, I didn't really like that build tack, build plate, but that's it right there, you guys. That's the 1/24th, 1/25th scale micro scale garage chassis coming to life. Well, this is version 5, so I'm just excited. That was pretty cool. I only went around like not even a half a turn on my bed. I just went just a little, just enough to lower the bed just a little bit, and it's sputtering a little bit. I might squish it a little bit more. Yeah, see right here. What is it doing? I'm always intrigued when I'm watching my printer. I don't know, I might have to raise the bed up a little bit, just a little bit, but alright, you guys, we're just looking at hopefully if it's gonna stick. We'll know in a couple hours. Alright, peace out. I'm about to go outside, ride the go-kart. Actually, you know what? Let's go take a ride on the go-kart. Alright, this is a long vlog, but the hot tub's doing pretty good today too. But I still need to scoot over the rack and pinion, but I'm gonna order one. You can tell that it's not even anymore. The steering is not even at all. But we're gonna order a battery when we get ready to order a battery for the 4-wheeler. But I beat that down some more, and then me and my buddy Mike Love, we were thinking welding a support bracket from here to here, just to give it some support. We'll put it like a piece of angle bar, and I got some angle metal. So tomorrow when I go to Harbor Freight, I'm gonna pick up. I gotta go pick up some more die grinder blades, and I want to go pick up a welder's mask so I can learn how to weld. But let's go ahead and start up the go-kart and see if I can do some one-handed driving. Fuel's on. Fuel's not on the carb. See, once I get a battery, I don't have to do this anymore. I can just full start. But let's see if we can take a quick ride. See how my one-hand driving is doing all that RC crawling. That's right where Adrian hit too. See if we can make it over the bridge and go a little bit in the woods. Alright, see if we can make this turn. We can't do the whole go-kart track because it's all flooded going around this turn, especially right there. We'll just hop along this log. We'll go through the trails that way. Whoa. I don't think I can make this. That was a tight turn. Over the tree. We're stuck on something. I don't think we can go that way. Let's go back and around in that way. Got a little stuck. There we go. There's a tree down that way, so I gotta cut it, raise the tree up. But we can go back this way. Boys are about to have some fun today. What are y'all doing, pretty lady?
Adrian wanted to.
Oh, you want to ride and go in the go-kart? Alright, well, let's go for a ride.
Can we go up and down the street?
No, we're not going up and down the street.
Oh, no, on the mini bike, maybe, if I get pants on.
If you get pants on, yeah. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe.
If
Peace
we
and
get
love.
pants.
God bless. See y'all in the next video.